Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will create string palindrome using Scala programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here machine problem. Write a program to ask the user to give a string, and then the program will check and determine whether the given string is a palindrome or not and display the results on the screen. So we have here a series of comments, string underscore palindrome.scala, and then yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download free source code. And then I have an email address. Right now I am accepting computer programming jobs, software development at jkrpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. Date of recording, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here import Java util scanner for input output. What is good about Scala is that you can integrate Java and Scala in one language. We have here object string underscore palindrome, and then function string underscore palindrome underscore check s boolean val s letters convert to lowercase filter c pointing to c s letter, no? So and then when it is reversed, no? S letters equals s reverse, no? Close. And then we have here the starting point of every Scala program, dev main args unit. Have our input new scanners system in for input output display. So here we have here the title string palindrome using Scala, asking the user to give a string var string str given next line. If string underscore palindrome underscore check str string, if it is true, the given string is a palindrome. If it is false, the given string is not a palindrome, and then we display result underscore result, and then we end the program here, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then we close. Okay, let us go with our visual code. Okay, so we go to the terminal, and then we show command Scala string underscore palindrome dot Scala. Okay, mistake again. String underscore palindrome dot Scala. String palindrome using Scala, give a string Anna. The string, the given string Anna is a palindrome. Another example. Radar. The given string radar is a palindrome. Last example. Computer. The given string computer is not a palindrome in a program. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.